Hi, my name is Satish Alvarti, working as assistant professor in mechanical department. Today, I will explain working of engine starting system and intake system. An engine starting system is the one of the important role plays in diesel power plant. Engine start by two methods. One is hand cranking and second one is self-started motor. This self-started motor, we have to supply the power to the motor. The motor will be rotated. This motor is engaged to flywheel, and motor, the storage battery capacity is 12 to 36 voltage. When the engine is running, a small DC generator on the engine serves to charge the battery. This battery is charged by when engine is running and it is charged. In engine starting system, we are using compressed air system. This system is commonly used for starting the large diesel engines employed for stationary power plant service. Air starting system uses valve arrangement to admitted pressure air at above 20 bar to a few of the cylinders, and it making them to act as a reciprocating air motors to run the engine shaft. The admitting fuel oil to the remaining engine cylinder helps the engine to start under its own power. The air tank is charged by a motor or gasoline engine driven compressor. The system includes storage tank, safety valve and interconnecting pipe work. Air intake system. When the inlet valve is open, the fresh charge air is admitted into the cylinder in suction stroke. The main reason is we have to maintain the pressure difference. When suction stroke inside the cylinder, it creates the vacuum. So inside of the cylinder, the pressure is low as compared to the outside pressure. That is nothing but atmospheric pressure. So the high pressure air is always occupied the low pressure air. So these pressure differences causes the air is automatically admitted into the cylinder. Before admitting into the cylinder, the air is entering in filter. With the help of air filter, air is filtered by air filter and it removes the dust particles. This is the air intake system working. In air starting system, normal working of the plant, the power from the main shaft is used to drive the compressor, which accumulates air into the accumulator. Once the accumulator indicates the rated pressure, the compressor are automatically disconnected from the power shaft. This is the diagram and show the air intake system. The air intake system conveys fresh air through pipes or ducts to the engine. Filter used to catch dirty particles in the air. Filters are of dry or oil bath types are used. Silencer is provided in between the engine and intake. So working of air intake system and air starting system. Thank you so much.